Alright, so this is the next day after I relaxed my hair and I wrapped it last night. So I'm just gonna unwrap it now, and this is the moment of truth. I have not had a wrap in so long, so this is what my wrap is looking like. You will hear my boys, they're playing around upstairs. But my relaxer took really good. Like, I was so happy that it took really good. My hair is looking really shiny, and it's not looking damaged. It didn't come out lax or anything. Let's see, put my little side part here because I love a side part. It's a little crooked, but it's all good. I'm gonna take my comb. It's kind of like fall season here, so like I can tell I got a little bit of static depending on which comb I use mostly. But I'll probably be starting back with my moisturizing seal regimen soon, so that should help with that. I'm just tucking that behind my ear because there is a length difference between here and here. The hair on the side of my hair is shorter than in the back because when I did my big chop, you know, it was all different lengths of hair. So the back, of course, is longer because it's closer to my shoulder. So I was thinking about cutting my hair right here. So about cutting about this much off. I was seriously thinking about doing that. But let me go ahead and finish combing out my wrap. I'm getting sidetracked. I know myself. I'm probably going to end up, because like that little piece hanging is really bothering me. I can already tell that I'm probably going to go through with it. But let me know what you guys think about it. Wow, my hair, like, I'm so used to my hair being like this. Like, I'm so used to my hair just being like super voluminous, and for it to like just be like laying down like this, like it brings back nostalgia. So this is what my wrap is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around where you can see the back and comb the back out really quickly. This is what it looks like from the side view. And you can really see all the different choppy layers in my hair. But that's just something that's just gonna have to take time to grow out, because when I had my afro and my natural hair, you know, it all just looked like a even natural afro. But now that the hair is straight, you can literally see all of the different layers in each and every part of my hair. So this is what it's looking like. I'm excited. I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited. I love being able to, like, I was able to do this in like what, 3 minutes, just comb my hair out, and I could literally go out the door. And you know, because that was one of my things. I felt like, you know, I couldn't get out the door quick enough without having to do a lot of prep work. And so this is definitely like helpful to just be able to comb my hair and go. But this is what my wrap looking like. Let me know what you guys think about, should I go ahead and cut these little, this probably be about what, almost 2 inches worth of hair, because I just feel like that will give the hair in the front right here a chance to catch up if I were to like cut it here. So then I would kind of have like a chin length bob, I guess. Let me see. This side is a little longer, because you can see like the hair is right here and then it comes down. But over here, my hair is way up by my chin and then it drops down. And I'm not feeling the 2 lengths of hair. So I'll probably end up just like giving myself a 1 layer. So all of this, if I pull it back like that, it'll just look like this. Like all of my hair will be like a little chin bob growing it out. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. And if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.